Got into zero grazing because we're on a 60-acre platform here and run 130 cows, just not enough grass to keep the cows going. So start maybe a year or two dabbling into zero grazing with the local contractor, and this year went out and we bought our own machine off Dara hand and using it there since February. So yeah. Hi, Patrick Dunn here, farm manager for Meade Dairies here in County Meade. Currently run 2 robot system on 130 fleck-fed cows. Currently using the zero grazer as well for the C block inside in the evenings. So it's A and B outside, and then inside it's zero graze grass. Reason why, just small land base, and reckon zero graze grass probably intakes have increased, so probably a litre or 2 extra milk production, and also improves in the protein as well. Better quality grass going into the cows. Definitely see the difference when zero graze grass is in. When you pull it out, you would notice that litre or 2.